Now we connect USB cable to connect to the computer, and here's a switch which is off, and now it's on, and connect to the adapter, the hub. And when you do not connect USB data cable, the LED indicator do not display. But when you connect the thin cable to the USB hub and the computer, you can plug in to the hub. It will be display the LED indicator like this. It's very clearly right. You use any USB devices but which can the LED indicator in display.